Hello dear children. Today new topic. So today's is the new topic. Its name is the probability. So this is the new topic. We will discuss. First of all, today the class will discuss about the basics about the probability, and next class will discuss the objective on this one. So see, first of all, let me to tell one formula. What is that one? P of E by F. P of E by F formula is P of E intersection F by P of F. This is the P of E by F formula. This is called conditional probability. So what is a conditional probability? We will discuss later. First, let you know how to use this formula. I am going to explain. So P of E by F, whatever the numerator by denominator, and then the formula E intersection F by P of F. Using this formula, this is a conditional probability. Afterwards I will explain. First we will do some sums of this model. So first one is, I am going to take the first question on this model. P of E equal to 0.6. P of F equal to 0.3. And P of E intersection F is equal to 0.2. Then he asked, find P of E by F and P of F by E. This is the question he asked. So children, here he given P of E is given, P of F is given, E intersection F is given. We have to find E by F4 and F by E. How to find? So using the formula, we know P of E by F equal to the formula is P of E intersection F by P of F. P of E intersection F. E intersection F value is 0.2 by P of F value is 0.3. So children, after point here, one place, we can cancel it. We can remove the pointer. Then what is the answer? The answer is 2 by 3. That means P of E by F answer is 2 by 3. Now, if we will find the P of F by E, now the next one is P of F by E. P of F by E means what is the formula? P of F intersection E by P of E. This is the formula. So which one is the denominator? That one we have to write down. So P of F intersection E. F intersection E intersection of both are same. The answer is 0.2 and P of E value is 0.6. So here after point 1 decimal, here 1 place, here also after point 1 place. So we can cancel it, then we can write directly 2 by 6, then 2 1s are 2 3s are. So what is the answer? 1 by 3. Like this we will find out. So E by F, whatever the denominator, that one we have to write here also in the place of here, denominator place. F means F, E means E. But the numerator place is intersection of this both. F by E means F intersection E, the denominator is P of E, here F means F P of E. This is the method we will find out. Now, we will go to the another question on this model. So second question on this model is P of A is equal to 0.8. P of B is equal to 0.5. Next one, P of B by A is equal to 0.4. He is asking find P of A union B. This is the question. So P of A given, P of B given, P of B by A given, is asking P of A union B. So first of all we will take whatever is given, that one will take P of B by A. So what is the formula? P of B intersection A by P of A. Whatever in denominator, that one only we have to write. So that is, this is called a conditional probability formula. So P of B intersection A intersection B, both are same. But this answer is given. What is the answer? P of B by A answer given. The answer is 0.4. This value is given. But P of A intersection B value don't know. But P of A value we know. What is the P of A value? 0.8. If we did the cross multiplication, multiplication, then 0.4 into 0.8 equal to P of A intersection B. Then P of A intersection B equal to 4 8 32. That means the answer 0.3. Why 0.32? Because here after point 1 place, here after point 1 place, then totally it is the 2 places. So from this one, we are, I am going to find the A intersection B. Children, one more time. E given P of B by A value. So what is the formula? P of B by A means B intersection A by what is the denominator? Same denominator we have to write by P of A. So P of B by A answer already given 0.4. You put here A intersection B value don't know, but P of A value we know it 0.8. Do the cross multiplication 0.4 into 0.8. 4 8 32. Here after point 1 place, here after point 1 place, totally 2 places are there after point. So what is the answer? P of A intersection B equal to 0.32. So, but he is not asking A intersection B. He is asking P of A union B. So P of A union B equal. So this is nothing but P means probability. Probability of A union B is nothing but sets formula only. So probability and sets both are same formulas we use. What is in sets? We know the formula. N of A union B formula. What is the formula? N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. So this is the formula which we used in first PUC in the sets chapter. Same formula here in the place of N I am going to replace with P. That means P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. If we substitute these values, P of A 0.8 and P of B is 0.5 minus P of A intersection B. A intersection B value is 0.32. If we add 8 plus 5 is the 13 means 1.3 minus 0.32. If we subtract it, so listen how to do this one. 1.3 means 1.30. 0.32 means 0.32. Like this, 1.3 means we put 1 0 because of easy to cancellation. 10 minus 8, sorry, 10 minus 2, 8. Here 2 is there, 9, 0. So what is the answer? The answer is 0.98. So this is the answer. So finally what is the answer? P of A union B answer is 0.98. So first of all, this is called the conditional problem. Now I am going to explain what is the conditional problem. First I explain how to use the formula. How to use the formula, whatever denominator is the same denominator we are going to write. That's it. Now, so what is the conditional probability? I am going to explain now. That's it. Okay, now I am going to explain what is the conditional probability. Conditional probability means first of all I am going to write the formula. P of E by F, just now we used P of E intersection F by. What is the denominator? Same denominator we have to write. It is nothing but P of F. Student, my dear children, here what is E, what is F? E means what we have to find, what we have to find, that is called E. F means F is nothing but whatever E given. Given that is there, whatever E given, that event you consider as a F. And what the event you have to find, that is the E. That means I am going to explain this conditional probability. What is the definition of a conditional probability? So, conditional probability. What is the conditional probability? Conditional probability is nothing but the conditional probability. I am writing CP short form. The conditional probability of E given that F already F denoted by P of E by F. This is the definition. So first of all, I am going to explain what is the conditional probability. Conditional probability means which one you have to find, that event you have to take as a E. Whatever given that means he will give one event, whatever he given in that one, you take it as a F. That's why this is the definition. The conditional probability of E given that F has already occurred. Already occurred means already he given the F value. Already given the F value, we have to find the E value. Then this one we will write by E by F. Means denominator. In denominator always we will write which already he given in the question. That one we will write in denominator. This is called the conditional probability. But the definition you can't understand. I will take one example and I will explain. Then it is clearly you people can able to understand. So the question, I am going to write the question. The question is, a family has two children. A family has two children. What is the probability that both the children are boys, given that what is given that at least one of them is a boy. This is the question. So in exam, how you came to know this is a conditional probability? In the question is not mentioned about the conditional probability. But when you read the question, you see, carefully read the question. Here we want to identify two events. What are the two events? One is the E, another one is the F. How to identify? F means given, what is given after the given whatever event is there, that is called F. And which event we have to find? This is we have to find. Find event always E. Already given event always F. Means, my dear children, look here. A family has two children. One family is there, they have two children. But we don't know. The two children, either both are boys or both are girls, or one boy, one girl, like that is there. But he not mentioned anything clear. He said that a family has two children. Okay. What is the probability? What means he is asking finding what we have to find. What is the probability that both the children are boys? Means the question is this one. What means we have to find. Finding event always E. That means here from this question we can able to understand what we have to find. We have to find the children. Means the two children are there. The two children are boys. Means two boys. Both are boys. That's it. So both are boys is the event E. Why I am taking E only? Because E means which one we have to find. That one we have to take as a E. So which one we have to find? We have to find both the children also boys. That is called E. Next event is F. How to identify the F? F means I said after given that whatever is there it is called F. So children here in the question clearly mentioned given that after given that whatever the event, what is the event? At least one of them is a boy. This is the question. Means this one is given that Amelie whatever event is there, that one you consider as a F. F means after given that whatever is there. E means what we have to find. He said what is the probability? Means what we have to find. we have to find both the children are boy. That is called E. And after giving that E given, at least one of them is a boy. It is called F. That means I hope you people are understood how to identify E and F. So how to identify E and F? In the question he never mentioned the conditional probability. Find the conditional probability, never mentioned. While reading the question only we have to understand. Here two children are there. So we have to find the two children also boys. So which one we have to find? That is called E. And whatever given that Ameni, whatever is that, that one we have to take as a F. So for this I am going to write these two in the format. Now concentrate on the board. I am going to find. So first of all, I am going to draw a small diagram. So two children are there. No one can't say that one who is first. First child either boy or girl. So no one won't say now which child will get that. So assume that first child either boy or girl. Assume that first he got boy only. Then two children again second chance. First in the first chance means this is the first baby. Suppose he has boy. Then the second chance also we can't guess which one he will get. Either boy or girl. Anyone will get. First boy, then second chance also we can't guess. Assume that first girl is there. First girl he got girl. Then what about the second chance? Second chance also we can't guess. Either boy or girl we get. That means my dear friends, first of all I am going to write the sample space. Sample space means what are the possibilities? Two children. Two children means the two children maybe two boys. Otherwise first one boy, second one girl. Otherwise first one girl, second one boy. Otherwise both also girl. This is the chances. Sample space means the total number of chances. He said two children. The two children means either both also boy or both also girl. Or first one boy, second one girl, or first one girl, second one boy. Any one of the chances are there. This is called the sample space. Yes. Now, event E. What is E? E means what they have to find. Just so I written. Both are boys. This is the event E. What we have to find? He said both are boys. So both are boys means only this only chance. Both are boys, first and second, both children also go. Now come to the point F. F is at that one, at least one boy. This is the F. How to identify the F? F is nothing but after given, whatever event is there, that one is called the F. So here F means is at that one, at least one boy. At least one boy means what is the meaning, children? Either one boy or two boys also chances. Either at least means one boy or two boys also chances are there. So here two boys, no problem, because of that at least one. One way more than one way chalta because at least. And next one is the boy girl. Yes, because of that one boy is there. Otherwise girl boy, this is also okay because one boy. We said that one, at least one boy. At least one boy means either one boy or two boys also, no problem. But we can't take GG. Why we won't take? Because here both also girls. Here there is no boy. Here is that at least one boy. One boy at least beku. In a boys illa, two girls say. So don't take this one. That means the finally what is F? F means BB, BG, JF. So definitely we have to write E by F. Why E by F? What we have to find, that one we have to write in numerator, and what E given, that one we have to write in denominator. Then what is the formula? P of E by F formula is P of E intersection F by P of F. This is the formula. P of E by F equal to P of E intersection F by P of F. So, my dear children, here P of E, P of F, P of E intersection F we don't know. So, we will find out one by one. So, first of all, I am going to finding E intersection F first. Intersection means in the sex chapter we know it first PUC we learn. Intersection is the common element which is in E and F also. So, in E, BB is there. In F also BB is there. Intersection means common of these two sets. What is the common element in these two sets? It is nothing but B only. That means E intersection is B. But I want P means probability of E intersection F. So probability of E intersection F is nothing but number of elements in E intersection F. How many elements are there? Only one element is there. But total number of elements. How many chances means sample space. Here how many elements are there in E intersection F? Only one element. But total elements. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means P of E intersection F means 1 by 4. Next, what we want? P of F we want. P of F means first of all number of elements in F set. So this is the F. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 elements are there. Out of total number of how many are there? S means total 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many are there? 4. Means E intersection of 1 by 4, P of F is the 3 by 4. Now you put in the formula. What is the formula? P of E by F. If you substituted in this formula, E intersection F is the 1 by 4 and P of F is 3 by 4. Then 4 get cancelled. Then what is the answer? The answer is 1 by 3. My dear students, like this we have to identify. So in this question, first we have to identify what is E and what is F. How to identify? E means the question. What we have to find out, that one is the E. F means what he given. In the question clearly mentioned that is called F. So 2 children means either 2 boys or 2 girls or boy, girl, girl, boy, anything. Chances both are boys means 2 boys. At least 1 boy means 1 boy or 2 boys. Here 2 boys are there, 1 boy is there. Now, E intersection of means both are common. So BB is the common. In this method, we will find out this. We will take one more question on this model. One more question on this model. Today we are discussing the sums on conditional probability. So this is called the conditional probability. What is the conditional probability? Conditional probability means finding of one event. Already one event is given. One event is given. We have to find another event using the formula E by F. So denominator already what E given, that is in denominator. Which one we have to find? We have to write that is in numerator. Okay. Now we'll take one more question on this model to easy to understand. The question is 10. The question is 10 cards. 10 cards numbered. 10 cards numbered 1 to 10. 10 cards numbered 1 to 10 are placed in a box. In a box. So one card is drawn. One card is drawn. If it is known as the number on drawn card, the number on drawn card is more than 3. Is more than 3. What is the probability? What is the probability that it is an even number? This is the question. Children, while reading this one only you can identify here compulsory 2 events are there. So first of all, let me to read the question properly. 10 cards numbered 1 to 10 means that playing cards are there. That cards, it has the numbers 1 to 10 numbers. 10 cards are there. he placed in a box. One box, he put 10 cards which are have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. One card is drawn. From that he took one card, only one card. If it is known as, known means you need a little bit of knowledge in English. Known as is nothing but given. Known as is nothing but given. Already I discussed. After given, whatever the event is there, that event you have to consider as a F. Here, if it is known as means it is nothing but he given. What he given that one? The number on drawn card is more than 3. This is called F. What is the probability? Means which one we have to find out. That event is called E. He said what? What means we have to find? What is the probability that it is an even number? So my dear friends, finally here we need only 2 points. What is E? What is F? E means what we have to find. What we have to find, it is called E. Here what is E? What is the probability is there? Now what? Means after this whatever event is called, it is called E. So what is E? E is nothing but even number. Even number means from 0, 1 to 10. Because the cards are having the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From this one, we have to take E as an even numbers. So what are the even numbers are there? Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that is called the E. Next, F. F means I said, after given, that event is called F. Here, instead of given, he given one word. Known as is nothing but given. What he given? The number on drawn card is more than 3. This is the important. Means the number on the card is more than 3. What are the numbers more than 3 on the cards? More than 3, the numbers on the cards are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it. That is called F. And what we have to find? It is called E. That's it, children. So first of all, let me to write the sample space. So I am going to have this one because of the insufficient places here. I hope you people are understood. So more than 3 and even number. These two we want. That's it. So first of all, we have to write the sample space. What is the sample space? He said 10 cards are there. He written the numbers on the 10 cards are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So he written these 10 numbers on 10 cards and he put in one box. So it is called sample space. Now I am going to write E. E is the even what we have to find, that is called E. E means he said even number. So even number on card, it is called E. So what is the even number on this card? The even number on the cards means 2 is there, 4 is there, 6, 8, 10. So these are the even numbers which are on the card. Next one is the F. What is the meaning of F? F means he said what is the given? He said that one F means he given more than 3 number on card. So on the card he want more than 3 number. More than 3 numbers means what are the numbers are there? All these are the numbers are there which are more than 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This. Now from these two we have to find E intersection F. So how to find intersection means it is nothing but common elements which are in these two sets. What are the common elements are there? 4 is common, 6 is common, 8 is common, and finally 10 also common. So what is the common elements from E and F? The common elements are 4, 6, 8, 10. Now we know the formula, conditional property P of E by F equal to, what is the formula Rachana? P of E intersection F by P of F. Means first we have to find the probability of E intersection F. Very easy enough. So how to find the probability of E intersection F? P of E intersection F equal number of elements in E intersection F. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 elements out of total. How many are there in the sample space? 10 are there. So 4 by 10. If it is possible, you cancel it. Otherwise, leave it. Nothing will happen. Next one is the P of F. Here only we will find out P of F. P of F means the number of elements in F. So in the F, how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 elements are there. So 7 out of total 10 are there. So this is the 7 by 10, this is the 4 by 10. That's why I said don't cancel. If you won't cancel, it's easy to solve here. So P of E intersection F value is 4 by 10 and P of F value is 7 by 10. 10 cancel. Then what is the answer, children? The answer is 4 by 7. In this way, we will find out the probability. Okay. Now we'll go to the another question on this model. I hope people are understood. E means only you have to think. Two events I want. One event is E. E means what we have to find, that is called E. F means what he given. He given that the number on the card is more than 3. More than 3 means these are the numbers. So E means what we have to find? We have to find that number on the card is a even number. On the card even numbers means this one. So this is the manner, like this we will find. Now we will take another question on this model. This is the last question on this model. So today, tomorrow, few days we will take only basics only until you understand the concept. Next then we will go to the complex. Okay. Now we will go to the another question. The another question is given that the two numbers appearing on throwing two dice are different. Find the probability of the event. Find the probability of the event. The sum of numbers. The sum of numbers on the dice is 4. This is the question. Children, one more time I am reading that. See, given that, in the starting only given that I said, so after given that whatever event is there, that one you consider as a F. In the person starting only he said, given that the numbers appearing on throwing two dice. So two dice means which is having 6 sides. So here how many dice is throwing? Is throwing 2 dice. So what is telling that one? Here F means number appearing on throwing of 2 dice are different. Means the numbers on 2 dice also different. That is called F. In starting only given F, because after given that whatever event, that is called F. Then E means what we have to find. Clearly mentioned in the question. Find means after find. Whatever the is there an event, that is called E. Find the probability of the event. So what is E here? Sum of the numbers on the dice is 4. So 2 dice are there. First day also 6 numbers are there. Second day also 6 numbers are there. If you will add these 2 dice numbers of these 2 dice, that sum is must be equal to 4. This is called E. Why E? Because after find whatever is there, it is called E. And after given that whatever is there, it is called F. That's it, simple technique. That means now I came to know what is E, F. Here E means sum of numbers and dice is 4, and F means different numbers. Instead of numbers appearing 2 dice are different numbers on 2 dice. Different numbers on 2 dice is the F, and sum of numbers of dice is 4 is called the E. Okay. Now I am going to drop this one because of that insufficient place. Now my dear children, first of all, I want to explain you through the diagram. Die means which is having a die which is having 6 numbers on die. So here he is throwing totally how many dice he is throwing? Is throwing 6 dice. Sorry, 2 dice he is going to throw. First 2 dice 6 numbers are there. Suppose first time he thrown 1 die. So when he thrown the die, the number 1 came. Assume that. Second time also he will throw the die. So we can't guess which number will come. So we can say that when any of these 6 numbers, only 1 number will get. First time 1, then second time any. We can't guess which number will get up while throwing the die. So first of all, let me to write this one up easily. E is a number sum of numbers. Sum of numbers are 2 dice is 4. This is the E. So sum of numbers on 2 days is 4 means on first day the numbers are 1 to 6. Second day also numbers are 1 to 6. So he is telling that one on 2 days whatever the numbers will come. If we add the 2 numbers must be answer 4, sum of the numbers. That means assume that first day 1 number is there. On the second day compulsory 3. Then only 3 plus 1 is taken 4. Suppose first day have the number 2, then on second day also number must be 2 only because of the 2 plus 2 4. On first day suppose the number is 3, then on the second day the number compulsory 1, then only 3 plus 1 is the 4. Only these are the chances. Because he said that when sum of numbers on 2 days is 4 means first day, second day, whatever numbers are there. So if you add the numbers, but we have to take the numbers 1 to 6 only because on die there is no 0 number. So 1 to 6 numbers only is there. So if you take first day, second day numbers, the sum must be 4. 3 plus 1 4, 2 plus 2 4, 3 plus 1 is the 4. Okay. Now come to the point F. F is said that one. He said that one different numbers are 2 dice. This is the second one. So different numbers on 2 days means first day, second day numbers need not be same. So not be same means 1 comma 1 we can't write because both are same. We want different numbers. Different numbers means 1 comma 1 we can't write. We can write 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5 and my dear children 1 comma 6 also. Because of that on first day 1 on second day 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 anything is no problem. In the same manner, we can write with 2 also. 2 comma 1, both are different. First day 2, second day 1. 2 comma 2 we can't write because the 2 numbers and 2 dice are same. He said different numbers people. That means 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5. Next one is the 2 comma 6. In the same manner, 3 also. 3 comma 1 is there, 3 comma 2 is there. But we can't write 3 comma 3 because of that this both will be same enough. We need different numbers. Then 3 comma 4 we have to take 3 comma 5. Next one is the 3 comma 6. In the same manner with the 4 comma 1 to 4 comma 6. In the same manner we will get 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 5. Don't write 4 comma 4 because both. In the same 5 comma 1 to 5 comma 6 also same thing and with the 6 also 6 comma 1 to only 6 comma 5 only, not up to 6 comma 6 because 6 comma 6 again same. Everything is ready. Now I am going to find intersection part, that means E intersection F. So E intersection F means the common of these two events. The common elements of these two events means my dear friends 1 comma 3, here also 1 comma 3 is there. So we can write this is the 1 comma 3. Next one 2 comma 2, but here there is no 2 comma. There is no 2 comma. 3 comma 1. So here 3 comma 1 is there, then here also 3 comma 1 is there. So what are the common elements? The common elements are 1 comma 3, 3 comma 1. Then we have to find P of E by F. P of E by F formula is P of E intersection F by P of F. So P of E intersection F means the number of elements. How many elements are there in E intersection of 1 and 2? There are 2 elements are there. By P of F means number of elements in F set. How many elements are there in F set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means yes 6 here 5. 6 5s are how much? 30. 20 elements are there. You can count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. 5 no, 10 no, 15 no, 20, 25, 30 elements are there. 2 by 30. So 2 by 30 means 2 ones are 2 15s are. So what is the answer? 1 by 2. So in this manner we will find out the conditional probability. So children, this is the method we will find out the conditional probability. So thank you.